Hey Vaughn, it's Robert Craig from eXp Realty. I'm going to be doing a first-time homebuyer seminar with uh, this is one of those Eventbrite advertisements, but I was thinking about doing a postcard mailer as well to the local renters in the neighborhood. Is that something that you could do for us with kind of like um, this kind of this front? With the first time homebuyer seminar in Westtown on that date, time. I think everything is on here. Oh, I'm trying to get the screen down, but it's not. Oh, there it goes. With all this stuff on here as well. I don't know if that'll fit on a card, but I mean, at least you could probably put the date and time, a picture, and then maybe in the back, a couple of topics like over here of what we're going to discuss, and then I think I may have to get our logos. I think you have my logo. I can get my mortgage guy's logo picture as well. I can send that over to you. But just let me know if that's something you can do. Sorry for the long message.